Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Lezonic Flameless LED candle set. This is a 3-candle set with LED lights and they are powered by batteries, come with a remote control. By the way, they are available in I think 4 different colors like neutral, white and gray, and of course this is the amber color. And what's special here is that they are looking good. Of course, we have 3 different sizes and they are filled with real candle wax. This is very nice. I mean, when you a little bit touch here inside, you can definitely feel this is real wax, and it sometimes even smells a little bit like wax. They don't come with the batteries included, but you can use standard AA batteries, and not only disposable batteries but also rechargeable ones. Here I have nickel metal hydride, and you can see works absolutely awesome. Here we have standard disposable batteries, also works nicely, and here I have lithium ion rechargeable batteries, USB rechargeable batteries, 1.5 volts. So this is 1.2 volts, this is a little bit more, this is 1.5 volts. So you can see works with everything absolutely awesome. Here we have the remote control. Of course we have to remove the protection here, then we can use it. Here we have the normal on off, which you can use of course to turn all of them on, and here we have the off, which you can also use to turn all of them off. But it's just a very basic. It has very advanced features, especially this mode here is absolutely fantastic. We have 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hours. To use the timer, we turn them on and then we hit one of these timer settings. You can see they have been reacting, and it doesn't only mean that they are working now for 2 hours, but the really interesting thing here is that they are working for 2 hours, and then after that they will be off for 22 hours and they are working then again for 2 hours. And of course for the 4 hours the same, they will work for 4 hours, then they will be off for 20 hours and then work for 4 hours again, and here same thing. And when we hit the candle mode, you can see that the flames are like dancing in the wind like normal natural candles. Absolutely awesome. So especially from the side, it's absolutely impossible to see that these are not real candles. I have never seen such perfect imitations of natural candles. Of course, when we turn them off, we can see here the wick is just plastic and it has an axle here, and probably down there there's a magnet which is moving the wick around. But as soon as we turn them on, they look absolutely perfect, especially with the candle mode. Of course, we can also use the normal light mode, and of course we can also dim them a little bit. You can see, so I turn down the light a little bit. I think that's the minimum, but we can also increase the light quite a bit. So I'm increasing here to the maximum. You can see it's quite a bit higher, but regardless of the brightness, they look awesome anyway. I mean, yeah, definitely the most beautiful LED candles which I've ever had so far. Absolutely no doubt about that. So yeah, I think it's a really interesting set. Could also be a really nice gift, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.